So in this problem, we want to know how many cups are in 16 ounces. So I'm going to take 16 ounces, and the information that I'm given with the different conversion factors are that there's 8 ounces in every 1 cup. So that's my for every statement. For every 8 ounces, there is 1 cup. So the question is, how many cups in 16 ounces? So 16 ounces. To get from 8 ounces to 16, what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to have to double that or multiply by 2. So 8 times 2 is going to give me 16. So I have to do the exact same thing to cups. So 1 times 2 is going to give me 2 cups. So my answer for this would be 2 cups. And that's, again, using the for every statement that you've been using in class. Now go back and try the problem again.